In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now click on Keyboard and Input Method. Select Manage Keyboards and Gboard. After that, click on Theme and scroll down to see all available ones. You can also tap on Show More at the bottom right corners. When you're ready, just click on the best theme for you. I will go with this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And save your new theme by hitting on Apply. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But if you want to customize it, just go into the same settings and click on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and click on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!